I just felt na yung ano, yung affidavit ni Pebbles dun sa Pulburon video, it's just shameless. Ang ano 'no, yung parang for me, nakasama siya dun sa dinner, wala namang ginagawang masama dun, wala namang I mean tapos parang biglang I do not know why you well, sa isang banda nakabuti yun kay Attorney Harry, sa kanyang application for asylum. Ang issue naman dun sa Pulveron video is whether or not totoo siya o hindi. Ngayon, in authenticating that video, merong science, okay? Merong science on how to authenticate it. So, iwan natin sa science yung pag-authenticate ng video na yon, okay? That's the first thing. Second, if you want that video to lose its value, all the president needs to do is to undergo a hair follicle test. That's all there to it. So, yung pasabog na supot naman, nakaka-disappoint lang kasi it's just too cheap. It's really very cheap.